Hey, Jack, you look really busy these days. What's your daily routine like?
Yeah, life's been pretty busy lately. Well, I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I even set two alarms because I'm a heavy sleeper.
Same here. So, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I check my phone for messages, then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Most of the time, yes. I usually have toast, eggs, and coffee. But if I'm in a hurry, I just grab a banana and go.
That sounds healthy. So, what time do you go to work?
I leave home around 8 and drive to work. It takes me about 30 minutes.
What do you do for work again?
I'm a graphic designer at a marketing company. I work on advertisements and social media posts.
Oh, that sounds fun. What time does your work start?
It starts at 9 a.m. We usually have a short meeting first, and then I start designing.
Do you work all day without breaks?
No, I take a short coffee break around 10:30 and then lunch at 12:30.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I sometimes bring food from home, but I often go out with coworkers. There's a small Japanese restaurant near the office that I love.
Ooh, I love Japanese food. Do you take a nap after lunch?
I wish, but no, we go back to work at 1:30 and finish around 5:30.
Do you work overtime?
Sometimes, especially when we have a deadline, but I try to finish on time.
What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym for about an hour. I lift weights or do some cardio.
That's great. You must be really fit.
Not really, but I'm trying to stay healthy.
What do you do after the gym?
I go home, take a shower, and have dinner.
Do you cook or order food?
I cook simple meals like pasta, rice with vegetables, or grilled chicken.
Sounds delicious. Do you live alone?
Yes, I do. It's quiet, but sometimes I get bored.
What do you do in the evening to relax?
I usually watch Netflix, listen to music, or chat with friends online.
Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes before bed. I try to read at least 15 minutes a night.
That's a good habit. What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 11:30 or midnight.
So you get around 6 or 7 hours of sleep?
Yeah, that's about right. I feel tired if I sleep less than 6 hours.
Same here. Do you follow the same routine on weekends?
Not really. On weekends, I wake up late, meet friends, or go hiking.
That's nice. You really have a balanced life.
Thanks. I try to keep my weekdays productive and my weekends fun.
That's the secret to a happy life, I guess.
Exactly. Work hard during the week, relax during the weekend.
Thanks for sharing your daily routine, Jack. It sounds like a good example for everyone.
You're welcome. Maybe next time you can tell me about your daily routine.
Sure, but mine isn't as organized as yours.
No one's routine is perfect.